Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. Last day we have discussed about what is pipes and how to use pipes. So that time we are used all the predefined pipes which are provided from Angular, but sometimes you need some different things which are not predefined from the Angular, so you need to create your custom pipes. So in this video we will going to cover about how to create your custom pipes in Angular. So let's take an example. Suppose you want a square, means suppose you will provide a 4 and the output will appear as 4 square, means 60. Or suppose you are providing 5 and the result will appear as 25. So I want to calculate the square with a custom pipe. So how can we create this? So let's create a pipe first. So how to create a pipe? So just go to the terminal and write ng for Angular, g for generate, and pipe. Okay, and let's take the name of the pipe. Suppose I want to use the pipe name as square. So now let's enter this. So it will create two files for pipes, that is pipe.typescript file and its related specs, and also it's updated module.ts. So if you just go to the Visual Studio Code, you can see inside the app you are getting square pipe.ts file, and also it's update the app.module.ts. So what is updated? So here this is imported the pipe and it is using inside this module. Okay, so these things are done by default from Angular. So as we are using CLI, so we don't need to manually import these things. Okay, so let's close this file, and here we need to use some things. That is, here we can see the pipe and pipe transform. So basically this is need to use any pipes, and you can see the name, that is the square which I have provided. Okay, and the class file is square and the pipe. Okay, so now let's build the logic for square. So you can see the structure is also provided here. So just for value we will accept a number, as an example 1 2 3 4 whatever, and for here we also provide a number. Okay, so in this way, and we will just want to return the square, so we'll get the number inside this value. So just write here value multiply value. So basically this is the square logic. If you multiply this number 2 times, that means it will square. Okay, so now the pipe is ready. The interesting thing is that you can create any pipes in anywhere in your application, and you can use this from anywhere from your application. Okay, so let's go to the app component.html file. That is the basically our default component file. So let's take a number into the app component.ts. So here I am creating a number, that is number equal to suppose 3, and we will print this number with the pipe. So right here number, and we'll use this pipe. The pipe name is square. Okay, so let's use this, and if you go to the browser we can see the output, that is 9. As we are providing the number is 3, there's a reason the square of number is 3 is 9. Okay, so now let's change the numbers. I am adding 4 and the square of the 4 is 16, so you can see the output 16. So in this way we can use this. Okay, so in this way we can create our custom pipes and we can use for our own purpose. This is a simple tutorial, but you will need these things very much when you are actually developing your projects or something you are using Angular. Okay, so if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section, and next day we'll going to discuss about the directives. So what is directive, how to create a custom directives. So don't miss that video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.